This is the landing page that we have, which contains a list of products which users can select, check out, and then make a payment for that. Let's start with selecting some dummy products. This we need to understand. We need to log in before checkout, because we need to store your history, the payment that you have done, the orders that you have placed in the past. So for that we need to log in. So let's sign in. Okay. The products are still in the cart because we haven't lost that. You can say we can proceed to the checkout. Let's start from the fresh. Remove. Let's add some fancy products. I've added 5 products in my list. Now we can proceed to the checkout. This is my delivery address. You can still make some modifications in the cart. So I don't want this product, so we can remove this from the list. I'm making payment. Click on buy now. So the order has been placed. You can see the total cost is $475.9. You can see the order ID that has been generated using the starting letter is PI and ends with BC. Are we receiving this payment somewhere? Yeah, I think we do have the platform. Yeah, so this Stripe I have used for receiving the payments from the users. Let's cross check again. The total order is $475.9. Now you can see $475.9. So we have received the payment from this order ID that is starting with PI, ends with BC. So this is starts with PI and ends with BC. Are we storing this data somewhere? Yes. So this is the collection that we are using. This is a NoSQL database which I have created for this order ID. I can check with this order ID starts with PI, ends with BC. See, we do have 1, 2, 3, and 4 products in the list which has been created. The total price and the product IDs that we have. So now we can process with these orders. So this is how this application is working. I can go to the home page. The cart is empty. I can check your orders here. That is why you need to sign in, so that you can have those, say, the order ID, the amount that you have paid. These are the past history that we have maintained. Now you can check what products you have placed in past. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.